Okay. Thank you for the keys. Now where's the elevator button?
I'll take it back.
No, that's okay.
You should see the food he brought me on now.
Huh?
You should see the food he has me on now. It's half the size.
Half the size?
Higher. We're going up.
Come on, Peter. Hey. Come push
Hey,
these
go.
buttons.
Go press the button.
It's okay if the meal's cooking.
Not that one.
I'm not in this.
Come on, come on.
No, it's gonna fall.
Yeah. Sorry, my son pushed the button by accident.
Call in progress.
It calls the fire department up, AJ.
No.
Yes, it does.
Call in progress.
It calls the fire department.
I forgot I had it on video.
You're staying in the elevator for the.
Call in progress. Call in progress.
No one answers, they're just gonna hang up.
Or the fire department's going to show up.
They didn't answer, call first.
They know what we look like.
There's no.
We're not gonna wait there for half an hour to see if someone gets an answer.
That's a stupid emergency number right there.
Which is a call in progress. But I'm being stabbed and killed. Call in progress. There you go, killer.
Here, Kaden.
Whoa. Throw it at her. Pick it up, throw it at her. Pick it up.
Oh yeah, a lot more.
Get it, Kaden. Pick it up. Hoorah.
Ready?
You almost picked up one of them.
Ready? Ready? You go.
Here, Kaden, catch.
I have it on video.
Kaden. He's trying to pick up the weights.
Those are heavy.
No, you can't pick it up?
No.
No. Get in here. Come here. Come on, muscle man. Pick it up. Go, pick it up. Pick it up. Yeah, buddy. Here. Here. Put down with you can do it. You gotta get the ball.
Guess what? That's it, tonight.
What?
Kick the keyless